3, up to another clip. What up, though? It's People Chat Nuts 83, up to another clip. Fight by doing well physically, mentally, and emotionally on his day, and slept like kings and queens last night. We're here to do a medicated big potato salad with the help of Fried Founded Farm sour diesel. We'll put this into and make infused potato salad. Let me show you how to do it. Because of a potato salad, double egg to be specific, and we also have the oil. We also have a sour diesel to mix in with the potato salad to make confused by doing this. Take this baked. Take this potato salad, then you add the ingredients, which is sour diesel, wax. Like so. There you go. Not too much. There you go. Just a little bit. There you go. You see it? Then we're going to mix it up with a spoon. You got yourself medicated baked potato salad. Down taste test. And now for the taste test. Cheers, gang. Just to taste it. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Definitely sweet. Oh my god. Woo! Definitely could taste the sour diesel. Tasty and delicious. That's how you make it foods.